216-561, 0302-216-562, and at 0268-499-347. Before they write them my names, now yen call ye nimua no. But ye call ye nimu no. Na me time anon so I ready wa ha. Me time anon I ready wa ha. Me bisa simple questions. Edi afa nunu milk ho. Answer me. Now the obey to me more questions no. Eya dia una be winner for today. Enchiano me bichia nunu milk. No I just so grow every day. Na utontra no wa bomu ama me. Petontra na bom nunu milk tontra no. Bomu mame. Na agrono to me aye de ye pa 0302-216-561 0302-216-562. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Sister me patron, what to say?
But
Yo, o full name I say.
My full name is Jennifer.
Nunu milk. Nunu milk.
Go every day.
Nunu milk.
Go every day.
Me patron o nunu milk na ekuta de.
Me patron.
Okay, ti me bebo mi de mu a, so bo de mu ho.
Yo.
Okay, emu aye de. Me patron nunu milk.
Go every day.
Hey, uzo ni afa lawyer we chire ho ba ni nyina yenkoya nim. Me patron why krado? Okay, your questions so no your baba start here nessa. Vitamin A, any A2 ni vitamin B2 na wonu no milk no e de na de bren kwada.
Me patron ma strong bone.
Iodine ni vitamin B2 no e wonu no milk no e de na de bren kwada.
E ma sharp brain.
Drink nunu milk e boa ma wo ba ni nyini de biara da no kra na antro.
If I say no cray.
Phosphorus, any calcium, no one no milk, moon, a dear and a brand quada.
A mamma strong bones.
Spell it Nunu.
Any
Mention 2 nutrients are one Nunu milk, I win the free move.
Udenya protein, vitamin, calcium.
A dear bad the barcona bet me the new milk. Aye.
If I saw to me the XP.
Protein, any calcium, no one new milk, dear Nanquadano when you womb.
If I saw.
Time now. Okay, young call your next year caller. So, hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Nunu milk.
Grow every day.
Nunu milk.
Grow every day.
Okay, maybe medium, medium.
Okay.
Boom. Never tell. Boom. Sa. Nunu milk.
Grow every day.
Nah, you're dead. Me patron full name medicine. Benjamin Baden.
Yeah.
Me patron why a crado?
My crado pa.
Say I can say nunu milk adia na oka.
Go every day.
Calcium and vitamin D na wonu nunu milk no adia na de bran kwada.
Emma omo bones are strong.
Nunu milk is fortified with special formula. Besides special formula no your friend is saying.
Phosphorus.
Edia bad ni ebetumi di nunu milk aye aduane ben.
What me do no see.
Protein and calcium na wonu nunu milk no adia na de bran kwada.
Calcium no man kala no mpemu ye den.
Mention two. Okay, koso.
Protein no boama omo new from.
Yo, mention 2 nutrients. Nunu milk at the brandy pediano.
Protein, calcium.
ABM.
Protein and calcium.
Say.
Protein, calcium.
Protein and calcium. Okay, also umbrella I am brand sir. Yeah, quite anyway. Now Sugu so I would say Adom 106.3 FM. Young caught your next caller for this afternoon. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Nunu milk.
Grow every day.
Nunu milk.
Grow every day.
Mi bom usubom. Ay, odi mu ye take pa. Mi bom sa bom bio. Okay. Nunu milk.
Grow every day.
Me pa cha why crado.
Me pa cha.
Yenkwe. Name 2 nutrients and kwada enya the free nunu milk me boa mo no mpemu yeden.
Omunya calcium and iodine.
Daily nutrient requirement nunu milk e dey offer na how many percent? Calcium and vitamin D na wo nunu milk mu dey na dey bran kwada.
The omunya sub brain.
See e ka say nunu milk aye just so saying.
Grow every day.
Nunu milk here is fortified with special formula. Be na special formula your friend is saying. Sa special formulation na oni hu idea no e die na de brand kwada no e bra mo ne o ma me enu bi
Emomunyi fat and a mama gen so ye fat
enuane be na betimi di nunu milk aye mention ba ko
utimi hono de hono dokono
protein and calcium na wo nunu milk me die na de brand kwada
Mamu do
omraso mame omraso nunu milk ede yo hello good afternoon Me pacho o full name ede say
me din the Patience Labi
yo nunu milk
grow every day
okay mi bo mi dem wa mi bo mi dem bom mami hey, would you sound no for mo? Say Debbie, Fabe on phone, mammy, boom, me boom. Me sa boom you. Mammy response, no, Nunu milk.
Grow every day.
Me pacha, why a crado?
Me pacha.
Why a crado pa? Okay, Yanko say yeah. Vitamin D ni frost e wonu nunu milk bi na de brand kwada.
Strong bones.
Name 2 nutrients nunu milk ehia ewo wo.
Protein, vitamin D.
Protein ni calcium na wonu nunu milk bi na de brand kwada.
One strong bones.
Eduane be na betumi di nunu milk aye.
Tea or cereals.
Spell nunu.
NUNU.
Daily requirement percentage be na kwada ehia edi free nunu milk. Vitamin A ni A2 ni iodine na wo bi na de brand kwada.
Sharp mind.
Uhia ensuo pe e de agu nunu milk me no kra na meboa
me pacho ano
iodine vitamin B2 na wo nunu milk me de na de brand kwada
mom sharp mind and aboa won wadichem
vitamin A any A2 na wo nunu milk me de na de brand kwada
many sharp mind
smart growth e contain e de vitamin ben
vitamin D
protein and calcium no e de na nkwada no mo nya de free mo atija ye me ha ho papa ye fa ntwere ha papa ye fa ntwere ha ye kojo entry so de nanim onyam e ta ye chi ama dwumadi na tumi akoyi pa right on Adom 106.3 say electoral commission for yes Ghana Statistical Service o mugusu quality figures no ye hwe who our winner is today. Mo share on Facebook no ba ubo say we share table no so a nunu milk achede no more achede we krade mu nkito winners ye mo mu gaganto an pa we krade mu nkito akra we be because me boot di we de gojo kwadi mu a Okay, Sister Jennifer, that's a self free. We are dear pa. Bra Benjamin Brady, once we are dear pa. Sister Gladys Ankra, once we are dear papa. Patience Labby, once we are dear pa. And a Sarah Dark, once we are dear pa. Now, highest marks, no. Now it was between Patience Labby and Sarah Darko. Ya kinkaini ye pano. Sarah Darko numbers, no. It me trap Patience Labby. And ya winner for today. Nunu Milk Challenge, you know. Sarah Dako, you are a winner for today. And until Omra Nyami Adma Monday. Brana Beji Wachedi, no, oh, by a pet drop in Biana Uber Bina Fabra. When you become for Pragia, Brana for ID card. Aha. Nunu milk bako. Nafa nunu milk tin bako mbra. Nafa beji nunu milk bibri. Wahu diye mechere. Na yefe. So Monday, Nyami Adma from 1 p.m. Yeah, sister, yes, Sarah Darko, you are a winner for today. Bra na beji wachedi eshigu. And then you call Club 5. Club 5 is inside Nungwa C5. Club 5 inside Nungwa C5. And when you was here, Brani and Chile, Brani and Papi inside one place to be. And then Friday.